plant cell. I prepared a nut cell.
MSC prepared this plant cell with all dolls. The cell wall is prepared with green doll. And the plastids are, chloroplastids are prepared with nuts. And the nucleus is prepared with yellow dal, senapappu. And the mitochondria is prepared with mustard seeds. And the endoplasmic reticulum is prepared with seeds of rice. Ribosomes are prepared with small nuts. This is very good. How it is prepared? Nice, very nice. Thank you.
My name is Sanati. I am studying 9th class. This is a preparing plant cell. This is a water is a glycerin stone and chloroplast is a golden stone.
Sravanti showed very nicely his talent, her talent. This is glycerin stones. The cell wall is made up of glycerin stones and the chloroplast is prepared with small white stones, gold stones. Excellent, very beautiful. Keep it up, Sravanti.
Studying 9th class, I draw a plant cell.
Okay.
I prepare a plant cell. I prepare with pulses.
Pulses. Very good. Vasvi prepared the cell wall with black dot. Various products. Everyone select with various products, various ideas. Nucleus is prepared with red doll and the green doll with chloroplast, and the ribosomes are with thermocol balls, waste thermal. This is also the low cost and no cost within our house. Very good.